We begin on a bright morning at Cape Canaveral, with scientists, engineers, and spectators gathered to witness the launch of a historic mission. Engines roar as the countdown nears zero. The mission: to travel farther than any human has gone before. Beyond our solar system, beyond the stars we know, to the very edge of space as we understand it. This is more than just a journey. It's a quest to answer some of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. There we go, lift off. The spacecraft shudders and soars, piercing through the layers of Earth's atmosphere. With every second, we leave behind the familiar world of gravity, sky, and air. Soon, the clouds part, revealing the vast emptiness above us. Earth becomes a small sphere of blue and green, suspended against a black canvas, gradually fading as we propel forward. We feel the shift to weightlessness, the silence of space pressing in, an endless, quiet abyss unlike anything we've ever known. Time feels different here, stretching out as if we're stepping outside its reach. Passing the moon in mere minutes. We sail through the expanse toward Mars, its red surface rough and cold. Mars whispers secrets of a world that may once have harbored life, now hidden in the dust storms swirling across its barren landscape. We glide by Jupiter next, and its colossal storms fill our view, a swirling red eye, a maelstrom that's raged for centuries. Jupiter's gravity, powerful and unforgiving, pulls at us as if testing our resolve. But we press on, each planet marking a chapter in the story of our own solar system. Saturn follows, its breathtaking rings stretching in icy bands, orbiting with silent grace. As we sail past its golden light, we're reminded of the grand scale of our journey. Here, the familiar gives way to the unknown. Uranus, a turquoise sphere tilted on its side, and Neptune, dark and stormy, lie ahead. These giants, icy and distant, feel almost like sentries guarding the edge of our solar neighborhood. Each planet fades behind us as we press forward, leaving behind the gravitational embrace of our sun. At last, we reach the edge of the heliosphere, the boundary where the sun's influence dwindles. Beyond this, we enter interstellar space, the thin, empty space that lies between stars. Where the sun becomes just another pinpoint of light, barely distinguishable among countless others. We drift into this vastness, a place where ancient dust and faint gas clouds stretch across the blackness. These particles, remnants of stars that exploded billions of years ago, are the building blocks of future solar systems. A cycle of death and rebirth on a scale almost too grand to fathom. Now, we turn toward Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our own. Light from this distant system has taken more than 4 years to reach us, yet we arrive in hours. Alpha Centauri's twin stars, shining side by side, cast a warm light on planets we can barely glimpse. Could they hold oceans, continents, or perhaps even life forms we can't imagine? The questions grow louder in our minds, as though the quiet of space itself is urging us to seek answers, to dig deeper. We journey through a nebula, a birthplace of stars, where clouds of gas and dust swirl like cosmic paintbrush strokes. Here, stars are born in a vibrant array of colors, glowing blue, red, and gold as they ignite and take shape. In this place, the cosmos is alive with creation, constantly shaping and reshaping. Each particle of dust may be the start of a new world, a new sun, or a new form of life. Further proof that the universe is a living, breathing entity in its own way. Further on, we approach the edge of our galaxy, the Milky Way, a spiraling collection of stars and dust stretching out like a shimmering disk. Behind us lies the brilliance of billions of stars, but ahead, the darkness grows deeper, quieter. We cross into intergalactic space. The silent emptiness between galaxies where stars are no more than scattered pinpoints, and galaxies appear as faint, distant clusters. Here, the cold is absolute, dipping close to absolute zero. It's a place almost devoid of energy, where the very fabric of space feels thin and fragile. After what feels like an eternity, we approach the edge of the observable universe, 46 billion light-years from Earth. These galaxies existed when the universe was young, their light stretching across time itself to reach us now. In these ancient galaxies, we see remnants of the Big Bang, the cosmic explosion that birthed everything we know. But even this vast distance only marks the edge of what we can observe. Beyond it, there is only darkness. What lies beyond? It's a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. Some believe that beyond this horizon lies a multiverse. Endless universes stacked side by side, each with its own unique physics, its own possibilities. Others speculate that time and space may not even exist beyond this edge. Perhaps beyond this frontier, there are dimensions, realms, or energies we can't yet imagine. Our instruments reach their limit here, and so does our understanding. As we prepare to return, we realize that our journey hasn't just been about distance. It's been a journey of understanding, of appreciating the fragile, fleeting nature of our own existence. We are small, and yet our curiosity, our ability to explore, makes us part of something so much larger. We are stardust, scattered across time and space, yet bound by a drive to explore, to learn, and to connect with the cosmos. We turn back toward home, our tiny planet lost in the vastness, a small blue dot in the silent sea of black. But it's our blue dot, our fragile, unique home where we take our first breaths, where we gaze up at the stars, where we dream. As we make our way back, we bring with us a sense of purpose and humility, knowing that there is still so much to explore, so many mysteries left to unravel. We are reminded that the edge of space isn't a final destination. It's an invitation, a call to keep pushing forward, to imagine what lies beyond, to embrace the unknown. The journey to the end of space has shown us the beauty of our own limits, the thrill of discovery, and the boundless wonders of a universe we may never fully understand. And yet, perhaps it is this very mystery, this endless horizon, that makes us human, that drives us to look to the stars and wonder what might lie just beyond. For scientists, mapping the solar system's edge would revolutionize our understanding of how solar systems are formed and how they interact with the rest of the galaxy. They'd gain insights into how cosmic radiation behaves at these boundaries, which could protect future deep space explorers by helping us design safer spacecraft. But that's not all. The data gathered could shed light on the formation of stars and planets, which would help us understand more about the origins of solar systems like ours. By studying the makeup of particles and the forces at play, scientists might even learn whether our solar system's boundaries are unique or if they follow patterns that are common in other systems. This information would be invaluable for our ongoing quest to explore beyond our solar system. As we develop faster, more efficient propulsion systems, every bit of knowledge we gain will help plan safe routes through deep space, possibly guiding us to habitable exoplanets or fueling interstellar missions we haven't even imagined yet. Exploring the edge of our solar system could be the key that unlocks our path to becoming an interstellar species. And who knows? The answers we find out there might just change our understanding of our place in the universe forever. Thanks for coming along on this thought experiment. If you're curious to learn more about space, science, and what it might take for humanity to reach the stars, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any new content here on Planetary Pursuit. See you next time, and keep looking up.